Now, China's President Xi Jinping has urged Hong Kong's leaders to take all necessary measures to control a surging outbreak of coronavirus. More than 4,000 new cases were reported on Wednesday, a new record. The territory's chief executive, Carrie Lam, has admitted that the authorities are overwhelmed as space runs out for the infected to self-isolate. The BBC's Tim Allman has more.
In Hong Kong, the hospitals are almost bursting at the seams. At this accident and emergency department, the patients queue up on trolleys outside. For more than 2 years, the authorities have tried to keep the virus out, but COVID numbers are rising at an alarming rate. None of this lost on the central government in Beijing, with President Xi Jinping urging the Hong Kong authorities to get a grip. Quoted in a local state-run newspaper, he told them to see the control of the epidemic as the task overriding all others. They should mobilise all the forces and resources that can be mobilised and take all necessary measures to ensure the safety and health of Hong Kong's citizens. The effects of the virus are being felt in numerous ways. Locals are facing food shortages, as many of the lorry drivers who bring supplies into the territory have tested positive. Hong Kong imports around 90% of its food, most of it coming from the mainland. The authorities insist action is being taken.
The first task is to recruit more lorry drivers who've not been exposed to infection risks, and second is to ensure that all cross-border drivers will have COVID-19 tests every day. Once the results are negative, they're allowed to work across the border.
So far, Hong Kong has been relatively lucky, with only around 200 deaths since the pandemic began. But with medical experts warning the number of daily cases could reach nearly 30,000 a day by the end of March, that luck may be running out. Tim Allman, BBC News.